to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching how to set up Lastpass for your business and to enable you share password with your clients, as well as receive shared passwords from your clients, as well as share password with your team members and whatever you need to do with password sharing. So Lastpass is a free password management software, and you can sign up for it. As you can see, you can use it for either personal or business stuff. It's really easy. It has a Chrome extension, and you never have to remember any password again. So we're going to be signing up for the free version of Lastpass, and yeah, if you want to upgrade to the premium when you have your team, you can do that as well. There are also business plans. You see there's a team plan, people have 50 or less, and it's really cool. So I'm just going to sign up for the personal one, and yeah, let's get started. So alright, so I'm guessing the long awaited page is here, and now they want us to install Lastpass to our browser. So you see the Lastpass extension here, and then I'm just going to hit that so that I can do so. I'm also going to check our email to see if we need to okay, they never save your password, so you will never be able to remember your password. You can't retrieve it. So yes, and yeah, let's download the extension. We'll add it to Chrome. Yes, so we'll just wait for it to add to Chrome, and we'll go for there. There are 8 million users right now for Lastpass. That's really cool. It's like almost 1/10 of the world's population. That's a lot of people. I'm just thinking about that. All right, let's see. So what's basically going to happen is once the extension has been added, we'll be able to log into the extension. So this is going to reload automatically. So we'll be able to log into the extension, and we'll be able to use it in Chrome. So whenever we want to log into a client's website, whenever we want to log into somewhere, all we need to do is use the extension. So this is the get started. It will say click the button above. It's going to load, and then it will say put in the email address, and then they want you to put your master password. Okay, log in. If your password is correct, this is supposed to turn green. If you made a mistake with your password, it will show yellow. And if you are logged out, it will show black. Red. I don't know why it's not logging me in. try again. See, it's yellow and it's red. Woo! Yes, that means that we are officially logged into Lastpass. So you have to forgive my very, very fast internet today. So what we can do is we'll go back to Lastpass and then we're going to log in so that you can see what is inside. You can also hit here, and then when the extension loads, you'll be able to see your vault, and then you can log in. Well, I don't know why it's not loading. So here we can hit login, and it will take us to the login page for Lastpass. Oh, so this was why it wasn't loading, because they wanted to show us a how it works page. Okay. All right, I see. Remind me later. So I'm going to show you. So this is they have a walkthrough. So what you do is you add your password to Lastpass, and whenever you go back to that site, you'll be able to log in. So it has single sign-on and multi-factor authentication, but those are more advanced features that I will talk about later. So this was what I was talking about. You can hit this extension here and click open my vault, and it will automatically log you inside. So this is the vault. There's nothing inside right now, and you can add as much information as you want. So if you want to just go ahead and add in your passwords manually, you will do it like this. So you have the options of adding all of this information as much as you want. Let's just say password. Let's say the password is for google.com, for instance, and the name is my Google Docs. This is not true. You can create folders as well. So let's call this folder G Suite, and the username is for everything copy, and the password is 123456789. Right? There are advanced settings, and I can hit save. So this is how you can manually add your passwords to Lastpass. But another way you can do it is to actually go to that login. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out of Gmail here. Right? I'm going to sign out, and then we'll sign back in, and you'll be able to see how Lastpass will save the password. Okay, let's say I want to sign in again. You see, when Lastpass is showing the number here, it means it has saved password. See, I saved this manually, right? But I'm just going to hit sign in again. And then it's asking me to enter my password, and I'm going to do my password here. And I just realized that I actually don't know the password. That's okay. You see, that's why we have Lastpass, right? It helps us remember all of the passwords. Imagine having to use different passwords for every software you use. Okay, so you see, once I added that password, it asks you if you have accounts for that particular the page has reloaded. Okay, so we have passwords for something on Google, so it will ask you if you want to update or you want to add a new account. So if you add a new account, it's going to add it, and you can just hit add, and now it will be in your LastPass account. So if you go to your vault here, I'm just going to click close, discard. So it's saved here. You see under email, I have one that if I click on it, settings, you see there's the password there, my username, the name, and the folder automatically is email. So it also automatically creates folders for you based on where you go to. Now what happens is, if you want to share a password with somebody, what you do is come to this icon here, and then you hit on the share. It will ask you for the person's email address, and then you can put in the person's email address. I'm just going to stick with this one, right? And then what happens is that you can either choose to allow the recipient view password, which most of your clients won't do, and then you can hit share, right? Okay, they want me to verify my account first, and I'm just going to go there and verify my account. Let's see. Email is not here yet. Let's refresh. Yay, the email is here, and now I can verify my email address. Okay. My email is now verified, and I can come here and share. I can share it myself. I was curious as to how that would happen. But then you can share anybody's email. You can use anybody's email to share. Let me see if this Gmail trick will work. Yes, it worked. So it will send it to, can close all of this. So what happens now is that I'm going to receive an email that says someone has shared a password with me. Now the person you're sharing the password with does not need to have a LastPass account. So when you share the password, they will be able to open an account with that particular email address if they want to. But if they already have a LastPass account, what they can do is actually maybe give you their email address for their LastPass account, and you'll be able to share with them. You can save passwords, you can save notes, you can save addresses, you can save payment cards. So the addresses would be in order for you to do the auto filling. See all of this. Okay, so you don't have to type it in. You can add cards and all of that. I have some of my cards saved here. You can also add bank account numbers with the Swift codes and the pins and all of that. So it's really safe, it's really secure. The other thing that you can do is to go into your account settings and finish up setting the account. While that is loading, let's check the LastPass sharing email. So this is what they're going to receive. For everything copy@gmail.com shared with you. Hi, this person has shared confidential information with you via LastPass. So if you hit on accept shared data, it will ask you to open a LastPass account, because I have not opened an account with this email address. But if the person already has a LastPass account, they will just hit accept shared data, and it will appear inside of their LastPass account. And now whenever they want to log into that particular software, they can just do so. Okay. Alright, let's check to see what the issue is. I'm going to reload this page because I'm not sure why it's hanging. Okay, we're back. So it's loading again. So it's going to ask you're going to see all of your account settings inside of here. I like to always check account settings when I've opened a new account, because you want to make sure that you have everything in order, and not a case where something happens and then that's when you're looking for that particular setting. Okay, so this is what you see. You can change your master password here. You can revert change. You can view your reminder for your password. They will never actually like show you your password. You can use all of these options for authentication. So you have to disable or enable it. So if somebody wants to log in, you can accept it through your phone or your phone number. You can also have trusted devices. You can allow access to mobile devices. If you want Lastpass to never save something, or you don't want Lastpass to have access to a site, you can add it here. And then if you have the same login credentials for multiple websites, you just click on what they call it, you can just add them, all of them here. They already have some of them, as you can see, and you can also have URL rules. Okay, so these are the settings you can set inside your Lastpass account. The other thing I usually have hear people say is sometimes they're using Lastpass and they are having issues. So number one issue is somebody shared a password with you but you can't see it. The solution for you to do is to log out of your extension and log in again. Sometimes it does not like update. The same thing is if you're struggling to log into a client's account and you don't know what to do, you can log out and log in again. Now there's a hack that I want to teach you. I think I mentioned in another of my video, but I don't think I actually showed it there, so I'm just going to show it here. If you have multiple clients and sometimes your client might give you access to the entire Lastpass and you don't want to keep logging in and out of their account, what you can do is create a person. So if you check on that people here, you see that I have a lot of people. So what you can do is add person, and it will create a whole new browser that is dedicated to one person, and then it will have its own extensions, it will have its own bookmarks, and it will have its own history and all of that good stuff. So what you can do is create one for a client, and then you can save extensions in there. So what you need to do is you can start saving bookmarks. If the client gives you access to their Google Chrome, for instance, you can also log in there so that they too have access to the history. So whenever you're working on that client's work, you just come here. So I had clients where I would log in and I will add extensions, for example, like the Tailwind extension for Pinterest, the Pinterest browser extension, and all of that stuff. So that's something you can use to do. So imagine if all of these people were individual clients, and I would not need to log in and out of their stuff. They would just be logged in that particular browser, and that would be it. So I'm just going to close this because I don't need it. That's everything you need to know about Lastpass. It's pretty simple and straightforward and really easy to use. It's one of the most widely used password managers that exists currently. So I hope this was helpful, and if you liked it, click on the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who might need it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.